Yesterday when we were here, there's a railroad track right here. You can hear there's traffic, a lot of traffic here. We're road trapping. Train was going by. You just aren't going to hear all that. So we did a little sign language. This set here, I didn't put any lure in it. This is what I call a beaver pocket set, artificial den set. You just dig a hole in with your tile spade. If your bank is easy digging, it's not going to cave in. I usually don't put any lure or anything in that. If anything, maybe a bait stick or two, a couple of beaver chewings. And then the other set, I've got lure on that just 7 feet away. Well, you can look down in here. You can see the fresh disturbance from last night. We're going to see what we got on the cable, if we got anything here. The trap is gone out of the bin. Well, I just noticed right here a beaver crawled right here during the evening. I feel something.
Wicked sharp every time you pick it up, and every Wiebe knife comes with up to 24 replacement blades. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your replacement blades today with a $5 flat rate shipping on any sized order at WiebeKnives.com.
It'd be a beaver. He's down at the end of the cable. This is sugar sand, just as fine as sand can get. It comes up out of here, out of the sandstone hills. I showed this on my first video when I was demonstrating a coon set, what to do when you got a sandy condition, you can't get a stake that's going to hold decent. You got to add to your cable. This beaver ended up right down here, did a spinning around. My trap was over here, my stake was over here on the left. He could move up and down in this area here, but he can't pull the stake. There's too many trappers losing their beavers. You just don't want to do that. It's so simple just to add, and don't use this as a comparison. There's only 2 foot here. Don't be scared to add 5 or 8 or 10 feet of wire and stake way over. If you're in sugar sand and you're going to set a trap, make darn sure you're going to hold that animal and keep it there till you get there. Last day of the season here in the refuge, we're going to have to pull these. It's getting nice out today. I wish we'd had this warm weather the other day when we set in. Beaver are starting to get active. About a week and a half or so ago, it got up over 60 degrees there a couple of days in a row. The beaver really got out and cruised. Things opened up quite a bit. So they made their little spring run here already. This weed maybe would have, maybe wouldn't have interfered with the beaver. They just duck their head and go under it. I don't like to have anything obstructing the set. This set was untouched. This was the set that I put the lure on. My lure was right here. Obviously a 2-year-old beaver or so, about a 35, 40 pounder. He went for that beaver hole set without any lure. Here's where the beaver would hit the end of the cable. This was out here again in the It's a real sandy bottom. Got to get everything wound up before you start crossing the creek, or you might drop something. It's real handy to take a little kid with you. Well, not too little, one big enough to drag these beavers. It'll help you all day long, some of these kids. And other kids, they just can't get up in the morning.